Imagine a creature smaller than a grain of sand, yet able to survive boiling, freezing, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Meet the tardigrade, or water bear. These micro-animals defy the odds by entering a state called cryptobiosis, suspending all life processes when conditions get tough. Scientists have exposed tardigrades to outer space, and they survived. Their secret lies in unique proteins that shield their DNA from damage. Studying tardigrades could unlock new ways to protect humans and technology in extreme environments.